Hey, what's up, guys? This is Adam Voighton. We're going to get started writing some basic HTML. So I'm going to open up Dreamweaver. If you don't have Dreamweaver, you can use any kind of text editor. Will work fine. If you're looking for something that does some syntax highlighting, I'd recommend maybe Eclipse or Komodo. They're both free, and we'll get you where you need to be. But at this point, you saw I'm in Dreamweaver. I selected HTML. I'm going to use the basic layout. Alright, so Dreamweaver, it's pretty cool because it generates this bare bones template for us. I'm going to kind of erase everything right up to here because we need these 3 lines. This just declares the document as an HTML document. But first thing we need is the head tag. Underneath the head tag, you want to close the head tag. So you can see to close the head tag, it's a / and then the word head enclosed in brackets. Anything within the head tag, it's really just to describe your HTML file. So you can see here, if I type in left bracket title, it's going to let me give this a title. I'll show you what a title is in a moment. At this point, just put some generic text in there. So I'm going to say it's all in your head. Then close that. You can see Dreamweaver is pretty sweet because it's going to automatically close tags. As soon as I type that left bracket / it just auto-fills in the end of that tag. Anyhow, next thing we're going to need is a body tag. Make sure you close that. So anything in the body is actually going to show up in the web page. So say this is a huge heading. Okay, so nothing too crazy right now, but go ahead and save that. I'm going to save it to my desktop. I'm going to call it home.html. And next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to minimize Dreamweaver, and sorry about that. You can see we have Google Chrome pulled up over here. So just drag this dialog box down a little bit, locate that home.html file that you created. I have mine on my desktop, and all you're going to do is you're going to click on it, hold the click button down, and drag the cursor to that new tab area in your browser, and there you go. We have, this is a huge heading which correlates with our h1 tag, and then here's the title tag that we gave it. Another thing you're going to want to know when you're getting started, in most browsers you can view the source code by coming up here to view and then go to developer and view source, and this just shows us our HTML. Okay, so really basic, just the essentials for creating an HTML document, but you can see that, you know, web pages aren't as complex as you might perceive them to be. So in the next video we'll build on this, get a little bit more complex, maybe build some hyperlinks and embed some images. Alright, so go ahead and try this out, and as long as you're successful, you will be ready for the next lesson.